In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a funnel in Systeme.io. Sharing your funnel can be incredibly useful, whether you're working with team members, collaborating with partners, or simply wanting to showcase your work to a broader audience. Let's dive right in and go through the process step by step. First, we'll start by navigating to the Systeme.io dashboard. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and entering the Systeme.io URL. Once you're on the home page, log in with your credentials to access your dashboard. The dashboard is your central hub, where you can manage all aspects of your online business, including your websites, contacts, and of course, your funnels. Once you're in the dashboard, you'll want to look at the upper menu and click on Sites. This section is where all your site-related activities are managed. When you click on Sites, a drop-down menu will appear, and from there, you should select Sales Funnels. This is a crucial step because it directs you to the specific area where all your funnels are stored. Now, you should see a list of all your funnels. Browse through this list to locate the specific funnel you want to share. If you have a lot of funnels, you might find it helpful to use the search feature to quickly locate the one you need. Next, once you've found the funnel you wish to share, look for the three dots located next to the funnel's name. These dots are a common feature in many applications, providing additional options for managing your items. Click on these three dots and a menu will appear. From the menu that appears, select Share. This option allows you to generate a link that you can easily share with others. After you click Share, a new option will appear, Copy Link to Clipboard. Click on this to copy the link. This link is your key to sharing your funnel with others. Once the link is copied to your clipboard, you can paste it anywhere you need, whether that's sending it via email, sharing it in a message, or posting it on social media. The recipient of this link will have the ability to view and interact with your funnel, making collaboration and sharing a breeze. And that's it. You've successfully shared your Systeme.io funnel. This process is straightforward and opens up a world of possibilities for collaboration and distribution. Remember, sharing is a powerful tool in growing your business and reaching new audiences. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Happy sharing!